Hi everyone, it's Jen from practicalbydefault.com, solutions for the working homeschool mom. And I am jumping on super quick today because it's here. Super excited. So, in this envelope is, or should be, I hope, feels like a book, my Big Life Journal. And so before I open it, actually I wasn't planning on being live today. I just put bread in the oven and I'm making turkey soup and life is super crazy. But when it came in the mail, my daughter is like, Mom, open it so I can see what it looks like. And I was like, I wanted to talk about it with you guys and tell you why I got it and show you the packaging. As you can see, oops, here we go. As you can see, it went through the mail really, really well, and it's bubble paper, so I know it's protected. So I told her I would come and talk to you guys about it, and then I would open it, and when she comes in from playing in the snow, she could see it. So the first thing I wanted to talk about, though, is why I decided to get a Big Life Journal. And the Big Life Journal is like mindset and mind growth for kids. And this journal is actually for kids younger than my children. But I have a daughter, especially her, but my son too, who suffers from low self-esteem, I guess, or second guesses everything that they do. And so as a mom, that's a major concern for me, especially as someone who struggles with that themselves, you know? So I never think that anything I do is ever good enough, or, you know, it can always be better. That's why it takes me forever to write a post, but I'm actually super comfortable doing live videos compared to recorded videos, because recorded videos, I freak out because it's never going to be good enough, and I always want to fix it. But in live, when I make a mistake, there's really nothing I can do about it. So I guess that's why I'm a little bit more comfortable. Anyways, as someone who struggles with this, it's really hard for me to figure out how to encourage my kids not to be so hard on themselves, to realize that mistakes happen and that's how we learn. And especially with my daughter, it's really frustrating because it feels like no matter what I say or no matter what I do with her, it doesn't get through. You know, she, for example, just yesterday she was cutting cheese, and you know, the cheese was like narrow at the top and it was wide at the bottom. She's like, oh, I just can't cut cheese. I'm so stupid. And I'm like, no, you just cut cheese. It's not like a big deal. So I showed her, you know, my cheese, which was the same way. I was like, oh, look, you cut cheese the same way I do. And she kind of laughed, but it's those little comments that our kids make that as moms we hear and we know what that's doing, right? I mean, who else is going to say mean stuff to us but us, right? Other people will do it too, but we're the hardest critic. We're the hardest on ourselves, I find, as moms. And so as a mom, I want to protect my kids and teach them how to talk nicer to themselves. And I'm not really sure how to go about that. And I've talked to other moms, especially at the preteen, like 10, 11, 12, 13 age group. You know, we really see our kids kind of move into this self-critical stage where they criticize everything that they do. And I couldn't really figure out how to encourage her. So when I've been kind of watching a friend of mine, she shares about this Big Life Journal all the time. And I'm like, let's keep an eye on it. And I'm like, I don't know if it's really gonna work. So I went to the site and I checked out the video, and I was like, I think this might work. I think this tool might help me help her. And I know it's designed for younger children, so I don't really know if she'll use it, but she is super excited to see it. So I told her I'd open it up for you guys. So I brought my scissors, and we take a look at it, and then I'll let her look at it when she comes in. Thankfully, we have, 2 feet of snow, maybe? So she's out there playing with her brother. Hopefully this isn't too loud. I can feel it. They packed it really well, so I want to make sure. I'm sorry if this is loud. I want to make sure that don't get the book. I'm so excited. So excited. I love getting Happy Mail. Do you love getting Happy Mail? I love it. All right. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. It's hardcover. Okay, that was probably really weird, right? Am I the only person that smells new books? They smell good. Okay. Old books smell good. Sometimes they smell good. So there's a dedication. Oh, I gotta figure out what the camera is. It says, this journal is dedicated to you, a young dreamer and creator who is going to improve the world. We believe in you. Isn't that awesome? I am so excited. All right, so it tells us where we can find more, and it's printed in Canada. I don't know why I didn't know that. I should know that, right? This journal belongs to my journal buddy, and we started on. Okay, so there's the inside page. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! So it talks about what is growth mindset? Help you develop growth mindset. When you have growth mindset, you believe that you can always improve. So the topics discussed are, I'm just going to read these to you. Making a difference in the world, dream big, follow your heart. You are not what you have. That sounds like it's going to be good. Believe in yourself, take action, be persistent. Effort is key. Love learning, be mindful, be grateful. Failure is learning. I can't wait for that one. Be positive. It says the journal is broken down into 26 weeks, and you can spend 2 weeks covering one topic. I'm going to tell you right now, chances are I'm not going to use this the way it's supposed to. I do that to everything that I ever use. Recipes, curriculum, it doesn't matter. I always take it and make it work for me. So I really can't see me sitting down and taking 2 weeks to going through. I'm not going to say I won't. I might try it, but chances are I'm not going to use it that way. I was planning until I got it. So I'll tell you what I was planning on doing, and then I'll show you guys later how I actually used it. But I was planning on looking over the topics and seeing if there was like gems that I could pull out to use with my daughter. I'm really hoping that that will do it. But here's week 7. Oh, there we go. You are not what you have. Just for fun. Be mindful. Oh, cool. It has a bookmark. Things like that matter. Look how pretty this is. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. So pretty. It's a poem by Peter Thomas. Never give up. The hard thing I am trying to achieve. One way I can reach my goal. This looks so cool. It's really, really nice paper. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. Look how pretty it is. Oh. Sorry, I'm getting frustrated with myself because I keep losing the one. Just for fun section. Isn't that cool? I am grateful for. There's stories about Thomas Edison. Next time, a poem. So, all right, so that's the back. That's the front. And that's how thick it is. And you can see how big it is. So, there. Well, my hands are, you know, whatever. So this is it. Isn't it pretty? I'm so glad it's here. And let me see. I got the notification. When did I get the notification? I think I shared with you guys on my page. It was like Thursday, and today's Tuesday. So that was super fast. Of course, it did ship out from Canada, so I can't tell you about international shipping, but I will put a link in the description of this video where you can go and check out the journals, and they'll have a section there that will tell you about the price and international shipping, and you can also get this in PDF form. Although, now seeing it in the book, I'm so glad I have the hard copy. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with me today while I unbox my new book. I'm super excited. And if you guys have used this, I would love to hear how you've used it, how you used it with your kids. It is for younger children, not teens, but I'm using it with my teenagers because I'm rebellious like that. All right, thank you, and have a great day. Okay, bye.